What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out some Truly Wireless Earbuds. Now, these earbuds were sent to me by a company called Onikuma or Onikuma. Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong, but thank you for sending these out. Now, as of the recording of this video, you can pick these up on Amazon for about $32.99, and if you use my discount code down below, you'll be able to save an additional 30%. So thank you, Onikuma. Now, before we jump into the unboxing, I'm going to cover some basic features of the earbuds. Now, it's going to be rocking Bluetooth 5.0 Plus, which should give you a easy and stable connection with greater connect range and, according to Onikuma, hi-fi sound quality. Now, the earbuds themselves should give you a total of 6 hours of playtime per charge, and combined with the charging case should give you a total of 156 hours of battery life. Now, the charging case itself is rocking a 2600 mAh, which also doubles as a power bank. So not only will it charge your earbuds, it'll also charge your phone if you really need to charge your phone up, which I think is a pretty cool feature to have. Each side of the earbuds will also give you full control over your media, allowing you to play, pause, skip to the next track, go back to the previous track, as well as answer calls and also activate your voice assistant. And lastly, it has an IPX7 waterproof rating. Now, I'll throw up a chart right there just so you guys can see what exactly that covers. Now, the full features and details will be in the description below. So let's jump into the unboxing. So starting off with the front of the box, we have the branding right there, a picture of what the earbuds will look like, and the name of the earbuds. On this side, we have more branding. To the back of it, we have a picture of the charging case with the earbuds and some reading materials right here. To this side, we also have the branding once again, and to the bottom, we just have some more reading materials. Now, a cool part about this box is this little rubber tab here, which makes it very easy to open. If you go ahead and just pull upwards, everything just slides right open, and then you're greeted with the contents. So starting off, we have the charging case, which houses the earbuds. Then we have this awesome high quality foam. Then we have our little included accessories, and of course the manual. Now let's take a look at what accessories we get. We're going to be given a extra set of earbuds, pretty cool, for different sizes. And then we have the little charging cable, which is a USB Type-C. There we go, and it's about a foot long, so not too bad. Now let's take a look at the charging case. There we go. So it's a pretty nice charging case. It's all black, not too bad. And it's actually not that big. Now, it is a little bit bigger than the Galaxy Buds, but still small enough for portability. I'll throw up some dimensions up there. Now, I went ahead and grabbed a quarter just to give you guys a size reference. There we go. Alright, so on the front here, we have the branding, a LED screen. To the bottom here, we have the little crease to open up the charging case. And then we have covered up here are the ports, which are a USB Type-C and a giant USB, which is used for the power bank feature of this charging case, which allows you to charge your mobile device. And that's pretty much it for the case. Not a lot going on there. Let's pop it open and check out the buds. Bang. So there we go. And for some reason, I like to test how strong the magnets are. So we're going to go ahead and test that. And since I went ahead and put them back in, there's the LED screen, which shows that we have a total of 2,574 mAh available. And to the right and left of that, we have the power indication for each earbuds. Now, this does go up to a total of 2,600, so not too bad at all. Alright, and here are the earbuds. Pretty nice. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and grab the quarter just to give you guys a size comparison. There we go. So it's not that big, but it's not as small as my Galaxy Buds. Now let's look at the design. So it's rocking this this curve, which most earbuds rock, but a cool piece about it is that it has this extra lip, or this extra protrusion right here, which just makes it stay in your ear a lot better. We have this circle LED, which indicates power on. If it's dying, I believe it'll light up red. And then we have a mic right there, as well as a mic. Is there another mic in there? Oh yes, as well as a mic right here. So we have some pretty cool mics, and this is the left side, and the right side is pretty much identical. And those are the earbuds, guys. Let me go ahead and grab my phone and we'll check how easy pairing is. Once you have your device, make your way over to the Bluetooth settings and turn on your Bluetooth. There we go. Once your Bluetooth is on, go ahead and take the buds out of the case and pop them in your ear. Now the earbuds will announce to you that they are in pairing mode and it'll pop up on your device as T3. You're going to go ahead and tap on T3 and in a few seconds they will connect just like that. Now the cool thing about these earbuds is that you have the option of using each side individually. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the right side and I'll place it in the case just like that, and you'll see on the case that it's reading the right side, but the left side is still connected on the Bluetooth on the phone. And you can also do the same thing with the left side. So I'm going to take the right side out, put the right side in, take the left side out, put it back into the case, and you'll see that it's still connected on the phone, guys. So pretty cool. This is a good way to enhance your battery life, so you can use each side to double the battery life of the earbuds in a sense, because together you get about 6 hours, but individually you'll get about 12 hours. So that's pretty cool. Now of course, once you put them back into the case, they will disconnect just like that. And once you take them out of the case, they will connect, guys. So I've never really had any issues with the Bluetooth. They've been working pretty fine. Connection has been great. They've never once disconnected on me. So yeah, thumbs up for the Bluetooth. As far as the sound quality goes, I was pretty satisfied with it. It had good bass, mids, and low, and regardless of whatever genre I was listening to, they kicked in whenever I needed it. Whenever I needed the bass, it was there. Whenever I needed the mids and lows just to hear those beautiful lyrics, those were also there. Now, it didn't get as loud as I thought it was going to get, but it was still loud enough to satisfy me, and I was happy with that. Now, if you're going to have a conversation on the phone, I find it better to use both earpieces, just so you have both mics working so the person on the other end can hear you. Now, as far as me hearing them, I had no issues with that. So thumbs up for sound quality. Now, if you guys remembered earlier in the video, I mentioned the battery life. You were going to get about 6 hours on a 100% charge. Now, I was able to do my own testing, and I got about 2 hours from 100% down to 60%. So 40% gave me about 2 hours. So if you do the math, you should get about 5 hours from 100% to 0. Now, you combine that with the power of the charging case, that should give you hours and hours of battery life. And also, don't forget that the charging case doubles as a power bank. So in the event that you need to charge your device up, all you got to do is plug in your cable and then plug that cable into your device. And just like that, you will get the juice you need to take you through your day. And that's pretty much it for the earbuds, guys. That's it. We're going to end the video right here. Link will be in the description below. Remember to use the discount code to save yourself another 30% off. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.